I've got ALCATEL One Touch Idol free, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. At first you have to switch off your phone, so simply tap on power key and hold it for about 3 seconds, and then click on power off. Wait until it's shut down, and then keep holding volume up key and power key all together until you are in recovery mode. So actually firstly you will notice the logo of Alcatel. Here you can navigate by using volume up and volume down keys, and then select each option by tapping on power key. So at first select the language that you would like to have, in my case it's English, and then go to wipe cache partition option, so it's over here, and then select it by tapping on power key. Wait a short while. As you can see, your device is erasing all the cache. And that's it. Now you can go back to the normal mode, to the standard one, so select Reboot System now by tapping on power key. And wait a short while until you're back in the standard mode. And that's it. As you can see, now you can start using your device as you do it on a daily basis. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.